Good morning, my dear students. Happy New Year, all of you. And sequences and series continue. Lecture number 12. Sequence and series continue. That is example number 27. Example number 27. Find the sum to n terms. Find the sum to n terms in the GP. Find the sum to n terms in the GP. Root 7, root 21, 3 root 7 up to so on. Here solution. Let the given GP in the form of what? Root 7, root 21, 3 root 7 are in the form of GP, where A is equal to root 7 and R common ratio any term divided by previous term. That is, this can be expressed root 7, root 3 divided by root 7. Root 7 get cancel. R is equal to root 3 greater than 1. We know that sum to n terms means Sn. If Sn of GP, if R is always greater than 1, formula first write R to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. If R is greater than 1, first write R. If R is less than 1, second write R. Because if R is greater than 1, here A value substitute, R value substitute. Here A value is what? Root 7. R value is what? Root 3 to the power n minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. If you next step apply for the rationalizing the function, do you know that rationalization in the complex number, rationalization denominator root 3 minus 1 becomes root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 is equal to denominator. This is A minus B, this is A plus B. A minus B, A plus B formula, A square minus B square. A square minus B square. Numerator root 7 into root 3 power n minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 is equal to square and root get cancel. 3 minus 1, 2, root 7 as it is, root 3 power n minus 1, root 3 plus 1. This is the example for that one. Here carefully write, this formula is very important. Sn, if you keep in your mind, if Sn of R is greater than 1, formula A times R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. If suppose Sn of, if R is less than 1 value, A times 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R. These two formula keep in your mind. For the next, that is keep in your mind, note if sum to infinite terms is Sn. Sum to infinite terms infinite terms of GP is S infinity. This symbol is what? This is infinite. Infinite symbol is equal to A divided by 1 minus R. This is the formula. Helps to the CT purpose. Helps to the CT purpose. Some 1 or 2 examples is there. I will write that one. There is 1 or 2 examples. Example number 1. Sum to infinite the GP 1 by 3, 1 by 9 up to so on, no end. Solution let 1 by 3, 1 by 9 are in the form of GP are in the form of GP. Here A is equal to what? 1. R is equal to what? Any term divided by previous term 1 by 3. To find S infinity is equal to what? Sum to infinity. Find sum to infinity. To find S infinity is equal to what? We know that S infinity formula for the GP. S infinity formula for GP is A divided by 1 minus R. This is the formula. A is what? A is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus R is 1 by 3 is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3 is what? 2 by 3. Let's take numerator. 2 by 3 becomes 3 by 2 for S infinity value. This is the S infinity value. Any doubt? Sum to infinity terms of GP formula S infinity. This is the symbol for infinity. E divided by 1 minus R. This is the formula for the GP condition. Here in this form, sum to infinity of the GP is, that is, here A is what? 1, R is 1 by 3. Formula is what? A divided by 1 minus R. A is 1, R is 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Take numerator 3 by 2. Next. Example number 2. Next. Example number 2. Find sum to infinity, same as it is. Find sum to infinite of GP 6, 1.2, 0.24 up to so on. Solution let 6, 1.2, 0.24 are in the form of GP, where A is equal to what? 6. Common ratio, any term divided by previous term is equal to 0.2. To find what? Find sum to infinite is equal to what? We know that sum to infinity of GP series formula is equal to A divided by 1 minus R. A is what? 6. R is what? 0.2 is equal to 6 divided by 1 minus 0.2 is what? 0.8. That is the value for that here simplify after this is equal to 6 divided by is what, that is 7.5 something value. Next example number 3. Next example number 3. Find sum to infinity of GP 5 20 by 7 80 by 49 up to sum. That is here let 5 20 by 7 80 by 49 up to 4 are in the form of GP. A is equal to what? 5. Common ratio R is equal to 20 divided by 7 whole divided by 5 is equal to 20 by 5 by 35 is equal to 5 4s are 5 7s are 4 by 7. We know that S infinity is equal to A divided by 1 minus R. This is the formula. Is equal to A is what? 5. R is what? 4 by 7 is equal to 5 as it is. Here LCM is 7 minus 4 is what? 3. Here in this form this take is there 3 by 5 as it is. This take numerator 3 by 7 becomes 7 by 3, that is 35 by 3. That is the S infinity. S infinity value is what? 35 by 3. Next example number 4. Prove that 3 power 1 by 2 into 3 power 1 by 4 into 3 power 1 by 8 into up to so on is equal to 3 up to infinity is equal to that. LHS is equal to what? LHS in the form of what? Base is 3 3 power 1 by 2 into 3 power 1 by 4 into 3 power 1 by 8 into up to so on is equal to, by the law of indices bases are same, power should be added. Here base is what? 3 base is 3. Yes, base is 3. Power should be added. Power is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus up to so on, no end, up to so on. Here that is in the form of sum to infinity is there. That is here, that is in powers, power index. Power is take. Here power means index. Power one side calculate. Power means index. Index is which form? Index in the form of what? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus up to so on in the form of GP series. If it is GP series is there, here A is what? 1 by 2 and R is equal to what? Common ratio. Any term divided by previous term is what? Also 1 by 2. Here to find in the power, that is here up to infinity is there, that is 3 power. This is in the form of what? Which series? S infinity of GP series. S infinity of GP series. of GP series in the power is equal to 3 power S infinity of GP series formula A divided by 1 minus R is equal to 3 power A is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. R is what? 1 by 2 is equal to 3 power 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 get cancelled is equal to 3. RHS side 3. Any doubt? This is sum to, this is sum to, this is a sum to series is there. If a previous example 1, 2, 3 is also Sn is equal to 1 plus 1 plus T series sequencer A and R main important. There is the main sequence or series means is A and R find out purpose. Understood? This is the sum to infinity helps to the CT purpose. Next. Next applications is there. Next here applications of sequences and series. Applications of sequences and series. Example number 1. Example number 1. If the sum of the sum of three numbers in AP is 24 and their product is 440 and their product is 440. Find the numbers. Here that is here find the numbers is there. AP numbers, GP numbers is there, HP numbers is there, same as it is. Here AP is asking application. First example, solution A minus D, A plus D are the AP numbers. AP numbers A minus D, A plus D, sorry A minus D, A plus D are the AP numbers because any term minus previous term is what? Common difference T. Any term minus previous term common difference is T. Suppose in the GP numbers are what? A by R, A R. GP numbers suppose in the form of asking in the form of GP numbers A by R, A into R. This is the GP numbers. This is the AP numbers. This is the GP numbers. But question is AP is there. Let AP numbers only 3. A minus D, A plus D are the 3 numbers. Here sum means add. This is product means multiplication. Here sum and product main important. Sum should be 24, product is 440. First one, sum of 3 numbers. Sum of 3 numbers should be A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 24. Already given 24. It is given. Here given is there, given things. That is D get cancelled. 3A is equal to 24. A value is what? 8. A value is what? 8. Next, second one in the form of what? Product. One more is there, product is there, that is A minus D, A plus D is equal to 440, is equal to 440. These two are in the form of what? A minus B, A plus B, A square minus D square into A is equal to 440. A square, A is given 8 square, 8 square minus D square into 8 is equal to 440. 8 square means 64 minus D square. Here 8 take right side, 440 divided by 8. 64 minus D square is equal to 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40, 55. Here minus D square is equal to 55 minus 64 is there. Therefore D minus D square is equal to minus 9. Minus minus get cancelled. D is equal to plus or minus 3. D is equal to plus or minus 3. Here A is there, here D is there. Find what? Find the numbers. Here numbers in the form of what? A minus D, A plus D. Numbers, first A is given, A is what? 8. D should be take one positive, one negative. D is 3, first positive. 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3 is what? 5. A is what? 8. 8 plus 3, 11, first numbers. Another one take, another one is there. A is equal to 8, D is equal to minus 3. Another one more is there. One more is there. That is here A minus D, that is 8 minus minus plus 11. Next 8. 8 minus 3 is what? 5. Here another one is there. That is the terms are this type. That is the terms in the form of 5 8 11, 11 8 5. Any doubt? Listen here. If the sum of three numbers are in the form of AP, sum of three numbers on AP, keep in your mind. Here this is A minus D, A plus D. Suppose three numbers are in GP, A by R, A R. Understood? Sum of three numbers in AP, A minus D, A plus D. Conditions, sum is there, product is there. Sum is equal to 24, D get cancelled, 3A is equal to 24, A is 8. And product, A minus D, A plus D. Product is given 440. A minus B, A plus B is what? A square minus B square, A square minus D square. 8 square, 64. Here 8 take right side, 55. D is equal to what? Plus or minus A value, D value, substitute. Plus or minus is there, two terms. Common difference is same? Yes. That is in the form of what? AP. Next, example number 2. Next, example number 2. Let the sum of n, 2n, 3n terms of an AP B S1, S2, S3 respectively show that 3 times S3 is equal to 3 times S2 minus S1, S2 minus S1. Listen here, my dear students. Here keep in your mind, given is very important in sequence and series. Given is very important. Sum to 3 terms, here also 3 terms. Respectively is there. Respectively means here solution given what? Given is what? S1 is equal to, S1 is respectively this. Here S1 is this, 2n S2, 3n S3 respectively. S1, S2, S3. S1 is equal to single n by 2, formula 2a plus n minus 1 into d, n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. Next S2 respectively what? S2, n replace S, 2n, S2 below 2. Here 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d. S3 is equal to what? 3n by 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. Respective. Here this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3. Respective. Listen here, S1, S2, S3, n, 2n, 3n, respectively S1, S2, S3. 1n, 1n, 2n, 2n, 3, 3n, 1, 1n, 2, 2n, 3, 3n, n, 1n, 2 is the 2n, 2n, 3 is the 3n, 3n. Find out, that is, proof is there. Take that is in the form of RHS side. Let S3, S2 minus S1, S2 minus S1 is equal to, S2 minus S1 is equal to, S2 minus S1, 2n by 2, 2n by 2, 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d minus here n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. Simplify, that is in the form of what? LCM apply. LCM, if LCM is 2, LCM is 2. Fix. LCM is 2. 2 into 2, 4na plus. Understood? Clear? That is here, if n taking common, n taking common, that is if n taking common is what? Inside is what? Only for 4a. Clear? 4a. Understood? N taking common plus 2 into 2, 4n minus 2 into d. 2 take inside. Next minus, this n is outside, common. Next, here is what? Minus 2a minus n minus 1 into d, n minus 1 into d. Clear? Is equal to n as it is, n by 2, yes, n by 2 as it is, 4a minus 2a plus, here d common, 4n minus 2, minus n, minus plus 1 into d is equal to n by 2, here 2a plus 4n minus n is what? 3n minus 1 into d. That is, here is what? Here multiply by 3 on both sides. Multiply 3 on both sides. That is, here is what? 3 times of S2 minus S1 is equal to 3n by 2 into 2a plus 3n minus 1 into t. This is the equation number what? Equation number 3. Therefore, this is S3. This is equation number 3, that is S3. Any doubt? Here sum of n, 2n, 3n respectively, S1, S2, S3, 1n, 1n, 2n, 2n, 3n, 3n. Here S1, 1n, n by 2, 2a plus 1n, n minus 1 into t. 1 into n is n. S2, n replace 2n, 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 S2, 2n, 2a plus 2n minus 1 into S3, 3n, this is 3n. But take here this one, RHS side take, prove that LHS. S2 minus S1, first simplification part. If you write direct LHS, S3, if there is no meaning, again spread difference. Therefore, take RHS side S2 minus S1, simplify, LCM is 2 and n taking common. 2 into 2, 4a minus 2a is what? 2a. Multiplied by 2, 4n minus n is what? 3n. That is here, 1 is there, simplify, remaining 4 minus, here 2 minus 1 is what? Minus 2 plus 1 is what? Minus 1. You simplify this one carefully, you will get S3. Understood? Any doubt? Okay. Next, example number 3. Next example number 3. Next example number 3. Find the sum of all numbers between 200 and 400, which are divisible by 9, divisible by 7. Find the sum. Sum means Sn. Between 200 to 400, but divisible by 7. Solution. Divisible by 7, 200 to 400. First number is what? 203. Let 203 first number. Divisible by 7. 7 3s are 7 2s are 14, 6 3, 7 9s are yes. 201 not divisible. That is here. That is next. 207. 207. 7 2s are 14. Remaining 6, that is here 207 not considered. 210. Here 210 yes. 7 not exist. Next is what? 210 yes. 210. 7 3s are 21 yes. Satisfied. Next 217. 7 3s are 21. 7 is yes. Next up to sound last number, that is 399. If you correct or not verify. 7 5s are 35 yes. 4 yes. 7 7s are 49 yes. Carefully you divide by divisible by satisfy or not. This is in the form of what? T1, T2, T3 up to Tn. Here A is what? First term T1, 203. Here difference D, difference is what? Any term minus previous term, 10 minus 3, 7. Tn is equal to 399. Number of terms n is equal to what? We know that Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. 399, a is what? 203, n minus 1 find out into 7. 399 minus 203. This can be expressed 399, 203, 9 minus 3, 6. Here 9, 196. Yes, 196 is equal to 7 times n minus 1. 196 is equal to n minus 1. 7 take left, divided by 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 8s are 15. 28 divisible by 7. 28 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 29. To find sum to n terms, that is Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S29 is equal to 29 by 2. 2 into a is what? 203. 2 into 203 plus n is what? 29 minus 1, 28, difference 7 is equal to, that is here if you simplify 29 by 2, that is 2 3s are 6, 0, 2 2s are 4 plus 7 8s are 5, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 5, 19. Right. Simplify 406, 196, 15, 10 remaining, that is 605. 29 by 2 into 605. If you simplify after the value, that is in the form of what? S29 value is what? 8729. Simplify after, that is this value is 8729. This value after simplify 808729 is the value. Okay, we'll continue to the tomorrow for the next class.